Welcome to day 2 of my 100 days of Webflow challenge. Today we're gonna learn how to add a highlight syntax, how to highlight your code syntax. How do you see this? Highlight your code syntax. So today we're gonna learn how to highlight your code syntax on Webflow. And if you have a technical website and you post code snippets, then this video will definitely help you. I was trying to do this for a client the other day, and to my surprise, it was a bit difficult to find resources. Everything was super complicated, and I just wanted to make this video to simplify it. It's gonna take us 2 minutes. I've got everything covered, so let's get right to it. Alright, so basically this is what we're trying to achieve. These are the highlights that we want to do. So this is all colorful and nice and displays your code in a very nice way. This is powered by Prism, so we're gonna use Prism.js. This is the library where I'm getting this from. You can come back here and learn more about this. They have also different themes like light and different colors, so you can come back here and just like get more into it, but we're just gonna simplify the process and just do the simple one. First step is to copy this code and add it to your head tag on the page that you want to add this snippets. So here it is, and then you copy the JavaScript codes on the before body tag. What happened? Yeah, so these two codes, you copy them here. And then once you have those, you save, and then you go to your blog post where you're posting those code snippets. You add on your rich text element, of course, you add a custom code. In your custom code, you're gonna have to start with pre and then code class language markup, and then you have to open a comment, and then here you add your script, whatever it is, blah blah blah, and then you close the script, let's say, and then you close the comment, you close code, you close pre. So your script is gonna go here between the comments, comment syntax. Of course, it's not gonna be blah blah blah. This is super French. We're not gonna have blah blah blah. But yeah, just for the example, for the sake of this video. So then you save and publish. You go back to your page. You refresh, and you see this code is here. Script is colored. Everything is as it's supposed to be. Thank you for watching the video. So I know I'm a bit, stiff in front of the camera. I'm just getting used to this. Today is my day 2 still, but I hope I'm giving you enough value with these videos. I researched this content. I worked hard on making good content, and I'm just improving the way of delivering it. If you're watching this challenge, I very much appreciate your time, and yeah, tomorrow is going to be day 3. We're going to do some Lottie animations. It's going to be super cool. So stay tuned. See you tomorrow.